Good morning, children. 7th standard. How are you? Yeah. In the previous class, I gave you annual revision. Is it not? Choose the correct answer. The whole the lessons. Choose the correct answer. We saw in the previous class, and today we are going to see about the fill in the blanks, match the following, consider the statement, short answer and the detailed answer. Because we have only short duration, we don't have any time. The exam will commence from, that is after 15th, 16th or by next week, I can say. So, we have to finish, before that we have to revise, at least once we have to revise the portions. Understand? You have 5 lessons in total in social science together, and in history, second lesson, that is art and architecture of Tamil Nadu. In history, page number, the lesson started from page number 114, and the exercises you have in page number 122 and 123. The exercises from page number 122 and 123. Shall I say it, ma? We'll start from choose the correct answer. Already you finished, but even though you just take out your revision notebook as well as the text notebook, you have to copy it down in the revision notebook. Okay. Choose the correct answer. First one, which is the oldest structural temple in South India? Answer is Shore Temple. In which year were the Mahabalipuram monuments and temples notified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer is 1984. What was the special feature of the architecture of early Chola period? That is Vimanas. Fourth one, where is the Alakiya Nambi temple situated? The answer is Tirukurankudi. And fifth one, who built the Vaikunta Perumal temple? The answer is B. Narasimhavarman. Now listen carefully, children. Fill in the blanks. First one, Dash was the first rock-cut cave temple built by the Pallava king Mahendravarman. Answer is Mandagapattu temple. What? Mandagapattu. Mandagapattu. Mandagapattu temple. Already I gave you the answers. While I am taking the classes, lessons, I gave you the answers for these exercises. Just will go through it once. Revision. Okay. The early Chola architecture followed the style of Dash. That is Sembiyan style. Sembiyan Mahadevi and the style. The most celebrated mandapam in Madurai Meenakshi Amman temple is the Dash. That is Pudu Mandapam. Later Chola period was known for beautiful Dash. Answer is Gopurams. Vijayanagar period's unique feature is the Dash. Answer is Mandapam. Match the following. I'll say the direct answers then. 7 pagodas, Shore temple. Rati Mandapam, Tirukurankudi. Iravadishwara temple, Dharasuram. Adinatha temple, Alvar Tirunagar, Pudu Mandapam, Madurai. And Roman letter 4, find out the wrong pair. Idhula kuduthirukadhula edu wrong pair endradha you have to find it out. Among the 4 pairs, second one, that is Kudalalagar temple. It is in Alvar Tirunagar. Adu kuduthirukanga. Adu vande wrong answer. Understand? And second one, assertion and reason they gave you. Among the 4 options, the correct option is B. That is R is the correct explanation of A. Okay. Then third one, find out the odd one out. Anga nariya kuduthirukanga enna Srivilliputtooru, Alagar Koil, Srirangam, Kanchipuram and Tiruvannamalai. Among the 5 places, Kanchipuram is the odd one out. Okay. Then fourth one, name the epoch of the following. Inga vande years kuduthirukanga from to in the year in the duration la எந்த பீரியட் இருந்தாங்க, யார் ரூல் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்ட்டு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஏ 600 to 850 பல்லவாஸ், 850 to 1100 இயர்லி சோலா, 1100 to 1350 லேட்டர் சோலா, and 1350 to 1600 Vijayanagar kings or Nayak kings you can write. Okay. Now, in page number 123. Here page number 123. Fifth one. Find out the correct statement is. In the statement lang correct you have to mark. Adala 4 they gave you. Among them 1 and 3 are correct. 1 and 3 are correct. Ennan paakalam. The Arjuna's penance is carved out a granite boulder. That is correct answer. And third one, the cave temple at Pillayarpatti is a contribution of later Pandyas. So 1 and 3 are the correct statement. Okay. Now, true or false? Rajasimha built the Kanchi Kailashanatha temple. True. Early Pandyas were the contemporaries of later Cholas. False. Rock cut and structural temples are significant parts of the Pandya's architecture. True. Prahadiswara temple was built by Rajendra Chola. False. Actually, Rajaraja Chola only built this. Okay. So, that is false. Vijayanagar and Nayak paintings are seen at temple at Tarapuram. That is false. Now, short answers we'll see. First one, write a note on Pancha Pandava Rathas. It is in page number 115. Just turn over page number 115. First short answer. Here, Pancha Pandava Rathas. Last paragraph. The Tamil Dravida tradition is exemplified by rock-cut monuments such as Pancha Pandava Rathas, namely Draupadi Ratha, Dharmaraja Ratha, Bhima Ratha, Arjuna Ratha and Nagula Sahadeva Ratha. Understand? So, Pancha Pandava, Panchinale and 5. Pancha Pandava Rathas. Understand? Then, next, listen, short answer. Second one is omission for you. Understand? Second one is omission. Third one, point out special features of Tanjavur Big Temple. Page number 118. In this page, you have this paragraph. Tanjavur Big Temple. So, the full paragraph. At the time, the big temple of Tanjavur was constructed. Understand? The 216 feet Vimana is notable as it's one among the tallest man-made shikaras of the world. Then, third point, the huge bull statue Nandi measured about 16 feet long and 13 feet height and is carved out a single rock. So, 3 points is enough for you children. 3. Okay. And fourth and short answer is omission for you. Fourth. So, second short answer, fourth short answer is omission. You have only first one and third one. Okay. Now, detail answer. First one. The Pallava epoch witnessed a transition from rock-cut to freestanding temples. Explain. It is in page number 114 to 115. Already I mark you. Again I will recall it. 114 and 15. Just turn. அதில் நான் கட் ஷார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் சில்ட்ரன். நான் இப்போ படிக்கிறதே நீங்கள் நல்லா மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. திஸ் இஸ் ஒன்லி இது வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் எழுதினா போதும். இன் பேஜ் நம்பர் 114 த லாஸ்ட் பேராகிராஃப் பல்லவா எப்போச். From that, the Pallava epoch witnessed a transition from rock-cut to free-standing temple. First point, that is A point. B point, rock-cut temples were initially built by carving rock to the required design and then rocks were cut to build temples. That is B point. Okay children, and C in the next page 115 page la inga irukku parunga. C that this is the Shore temple at Mahabalipuram, also called the Seven Pagodas, was built by the Pallava king Narasimhavarman. That is C point. And D point here. And the Panchapandava Ratha short answer first one mark panningella adhiye eludunum. The Tamil Dravidian tradition is exemplified by rock-cut monuments. Adha enna ratha nama paathomla Nagula Sahadeva Ratha till that D point. And E point பக்கத்துல இருக்கு பாருங்க The outer walls of the rathas, especially of Arjuna, Bhima and Dharmaraja, are decorated with niches and motifs. Okay. The niches have the sculptures of gods, goddesses, monarchs and scenes from mythology. Till that first detail answer. Okay, 5 points. A, B, C, D and E. 5 points. Understand? Then, second one, discuss how the architecture of Vijayanagara and Nayak period was different from the one of Pallavas and later Cholas. Vijayanagar period, Pallava Cholas ilande eppadi different ஆயிருக்கு அதை நம்ம எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. It is you have to write page number, அதில் எழுதிக்கோங்க page number 114, 117, 119. First we'll start from page number 114. அதான் first detail mark பண்ணிங்கல்ல, page number 114 அந்த first detail வரைக்கும். Understand? Temples வரைக்கும் mark பண்ணிக்கோங்க. First A point and B point. That is enough. First detail answerல A point B point எழுதுனீங்கல்ல, அது enough. அது வரைக்கும் போதும். Understand? Then page number 117. Take page number 117. அதில் later Chola epoch இருக்கா? The maturity attained by Chola architecture is reflected in the two magnificent temples of Tanjavur and Gangaikonda Cholapuram. The next point that is. Okay. And page number 118. Page number 119. Sorry, page number 119ல this paragraph. இங்கே இருக்க பாருங்க, வெள்ளூர் ஜலகண்டேஸ்வரா டெம்பிள், அதுக்கு கீழே இருக்குல்ல paragraph, this paragraph you have to write. The main features of the Vijayanagara and Nayak architecture are decorated mandabas, ornamental pillars, life-size images, gopuras, prakaras, music pillars, floral works and stone windows during the 15th and 17th centuries. Tanks are attached to the temples. Gateways to temple are constructed from 4 directions with massive gopurams. Still that you have to write. Second detail answer. So, history la 1. Lesson 2, that is page number 122, 123. This is over. Next we will pass on to geography. In geography, that is second lesson, that is third lesson. In geography, take third lesson, natural hazards, understanding of disaster and management. Third lesson, lesson 3. Page number, exercises are start from page number 180. 180 and 181. We'll start from choose a correct answer. Already I gave you first answer disaster, second one mitigation, third one earthquake, fourth one flood and fifth one license. Fill in the blanks. First answer dangerous. Understand, dangerous. Second one mitigation. Third one tsunami. Fourth one prevention. Fourth one is omission. Fifth one the omission. Fifth one prevention. Again I'll repeat ma. First fill up dangerous. Second one mitigation. Third one tsunami. Fourth one omission. Fifth one prevention. Already I gave you the answers, is it not? While I am taking the lesson, உங்களுக்கு question answer எல்லாமே நான் எழுதி போட்டிருக்கேன். ஓகே, அதை ஒரு தடவை அப்படியே go through பண்ணுங்க. Match the following. I'll say the direct answer. Earthquake, creek or fault. Cyclone, eye of the storm. Tsunami, gigantic waves. Industrial accident, carelessness. Drought, uneven rainfall. The next one. Consider the following statement and tick the appropriate answer. Assertion and reason they gave you. Among the 4 options, A is correct. A and R are correct and A explains R. Second one also A is correct. A and R are correct and A explains R. And short answer will see ma. Answer the Roman letter 5. Answer the following briefly. First one, define hazard. Page number 172. Take page number 172. Here, hazard. Generally, hazard is a dangerous phenomenon, substance, human activity or condition that may cause loss of life, injury, health impacts, property damage, loss of livelihood, services, social and economic disruption or environmental damages. That is first short answer. Second question. What is disaster? Page number 172. Disaster in that paragraph, last third line. Disaster impacts may include loss of life, injury, disease and other negative effects of human, physical, mental and social well-being. Next page, together with damage to property, destruction of assets, loss of services, social and economic disruption and environmental degradation. Okay, then third short answer. What are the 6 concepts of disaster management cycle? Page number 176. Here this picture. Can you see the picture ma? This picture and the 6 circle in the 6 disaster management cycle. Idha mattum neenga eluduna podum. Third one. Okay. Then fourth one. Name any 2 agency which involves in warring system in Tamil Nadu. Page number 178. Disaster management in Tamil Nadu. Inga irukku parunga. 1 point. Tamil Nadu State Disaster Management Authority. This one. And inge Tamil Nadu State Disaster Response Force. SDRF. So in the rendu agency eludana podum. 2 is enough. In the question they asked only 2. Okay. Then fifth one, write about any 3 effects of flood. Page number 174. Page number 174. Effects. Flood irka. Flood ki keela effects. Loss of life and property, displacement of people, spread of contagious diseases such as cholera and malaria, etc. 3 effects. Understand? That is enough. Okay. Then next short answer. Sixth one. Give any 4 rail safety tips. It is in page number 179. Take page number 179. Here. Rail safety tips. Stay alert. Trains can come from either direction at any time. Never sit on the edge of the station platform. Cross the tracks safely. That is enough. Okay, this is 6th short answer. And the 7th one is omission for you children. Okay, can you able to follow? So till this I gave you remaining, that is distinguish Roman letter 6, 7, distinguish between and a detailed answer. I'll give you in the next class. Until then, take care of your health. Bye. See you.